7 weird things I always bring on a cruise. And yes, they're all absolutely essential. Number 1. Instant noodles. Because when that late-night hunger hits and you need an umami fix, nothing beats a hot bowl of noodles. I even bring my own chopsticks. Number 2. Bottled chili sauce. A full-seal commercial bottle. I never bring the expensive stuff because I can't bring it back into Australia. Number 3. Soy sauce. Because honestly, it makes everything taste better. Number 4. Fresh chilies. Because they make the soy sauce taste better. Number 5. Canned lychees. I mix them with wine to make my very own lychee wine cooler. Number 6. A watertight flask, specifically for carrying hot water back to my cabin. Number 7. A variety of electrical conversion plugs so I don't have to think too hard when I pack. And finally, a bonus unusual item, actually 2 of them. I pack spare earbuds, just in case I lose one. That way, I can still binge all my downloaded Netflix series in peace. Have you got any weird things you absolutely need to bring? Comment below. Subscribe for more cruise tips and hacks.